Good morning, class. Today we learn how to divide fractions step by step.
This fraction exercise looks very hard. I do not understand how it works.
Please focus and listen carefully. Who wants to solve this question on the board?
Ethan, please stand up and come here to show us your math answer.
Me? I will try, teacher, but I do not remember the correct rule. I am sorry. I did it wrong. I feel very lost right now.
Go back to your seat, Ethan. You need to study much more seriously.
Everyone thinks I am bad at this. I want to ask for help. Teacher, may I come to the board to solve this fraction question?
Yes, please show the class the proper step-by-step method, Anna.
We use the reciprocal. Flip the second fraction and multiply the top numbers. What does reciprocal mean? Why did you flip the number fraction upside down? A reciprocal is a flipped fraction. It turns division into easy multiplication science.
That is correct. Very good job, Anna. You can sit down now.
Now I can see how it works, but I was too scared.
Ethan, stay after class. I am calling your parents about this notebook.
Oh no! Big trouble! Please do not call my mom and dad, teacher.
Tell me honestly, Ethan. Are you lazy or are you just confused? Everything moves too fast for my brain to follow. It is completely okay to not understand something new. Never be afraid. If you divide 1/2 of a pizza into quarters, how many pieces remain?
2 pieces. 1/2 divided by 1/4 equals 2 chunks. The pizza drawing made the math clear. I understand the fraction reciprocal now. Today I will focus and ask questions the second I feel lost.
Good morning, class. Today we continue our fraction speed training tournament.
Teacher, please explain that middle fraction step again. I am confused here.
Excellent question, Ethan. Let us break it down together using our reciprocal rule.
Choose me. I want to try solving the final puzzle calculation this time. He did it! Ethan scored the perfect correct score on the whiteboard.
Now we explore chemical reactions. Look at this clear vinegar liquid cup.
Science lab is my favorite. The liquid looks like clean tap water. I am ready to drop the base powder into the vinegar acid, teacher. Teacher, what is the exact scientific definition of a chemical reaction?
A reaction changes the molecular structure of substances, creating a completely new element.
Whoa! Look at the giant white bubbles rising up to the beaker rim. The reaction created a brand new gas called carbon dioxide foam.
Correct, Ethan. The bubbles are trapped carbon dioxide gas escaping the mixture solution.
Yeah. Our table is a mess, but the science learning was totally epic today. Asking questions makes every single science step easy to understand in mind. Look at my racing car, Anna. It can roll down this wooden plank. Why does the car roll down the board automatically without any battery engine? Teacher, what is the invisible magnet power that pulls my car down?
It is gravity. Gravity is an invisible pulling force from the center of Earth.
Gravity catches the green ball every time. The Earth never sleeps. Now let us see what happens when the car hits the rubber. Why did the car stop moving? The gravity force is still pulling it.
The rough rubber creates friction. Friction is a force that opposes motion entirely.
Gravity pulls the car down, but friction blocks it. Physics is awesome. You are the smartest science captain in this whole grade, Ethan.
Today we study how green leaves eat sunlight to grow tall. It is photosynthesis. Leaves use a green pigment called chlorophyll to trap energy.
Leaves combine water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight to create sugar fuel. My notebook is full of beautiful science facts and 0 empty pages now.
Your academic effort is absolutely magnificent today, my brave student captain.
The lesson is over. Let us review the botanical terms at home.
I am going to teach my mom about photosynthesis chemistry tonight, Anna.
And sharing knowledge with your family is the best way to remember secrets. That is a really good idea, Anna. Thank you.
Why are you putting a clear glass shape in the light, teacher?
Wow! Rainbow stripes on the wall. Red, yellow, blue, and violet. Look at the colors.
Teacher, where did the colors come from? White sunlight has all colors. The glass prism bends them at different speeds.
Refraction splits the white beam into its hidden spectrum family code. I am holding the blue refraction wave in my fingers, Captain Ethan.
This class photo will hold a very happy place on our wall.
Learning about light science makes the morning class fly by so fast. Oh no! My special steel clip fell deep into this dark hole. The slot is too tight. My hand cannot fit into the dark. Use my horseshoe magnet tool, Ethan. It has invisible pulling energy power. Wow, amazing. I am lowering the magnet fishing line down into the dark abyss crack. Teacher, how can the magnet grab the steel clip without any glue?
Magnets generate a magnetic field. It pulls metallic objects across empty space.
I hear a connection hit. The magnetic field captured the metal clip. Hooray! The magnet fish caught the prize. Look at it stick, Anna. Invisible fields are awesome. Magnet fishing is the best classroom game ever.
You used your problem-solving skills like a real professional engineer today.
The sun is gone. The classroom night lamps are turning on. Let us start the grand evening Shadow Puppet Theater Parade Show, Anna. Ha! Look, a giant black eagle is flying across the board chart layout. Why did the dinosaur shadow turn so giant when close to lamp? That's a good question. Teacher, how does a tiny plastic toy create a shadow this big?
Close objects block more light rays. That creates a massive magnification effect.
Ah! Moving away lets light rays escape, so the shadow shrinks down. Roar! I am the giant magnification shadow monster of this school world.
The shadow match is finished. Time to pack our bags for home.
Look, teacher. The framed class rescue photo looks beautiful on the wall. There is the fraction team. There is our smart captain partner, Ethan.
Receive your honors, children. You have a magnificent academic future ahead.
The old fears are locked up, but the whole wide world is open.
You two are the greatest treasures inside this whole wide schoolroom.
I am going to write a complete comic book about fraction secrets.
I will draw the reciprocal arrow lines on your comic paper, Ethan. True student teamwork can unlock any difficult science or math calculation boundary.
I thought math was a scary monster, but asking questions brought the light.